was 13 years of age mangine ephehlweni mina. So mina ngilomuntu ongathathelana ekhanda nje anginandaba into uma uyenza uyayenza angibendawo lapho. Ukukhona iritual esiyenzayo mafike ephehlweni bizwa ngokugatsheka, right? Sisuke siphakamisa ledlozi silibuze ukuthi lize ngani ungubani, like you introducing yourself. Inkani it's very hard akusipapa nebisi. Inkani it's very hard istage lesi esibhlungu kunazo zonke, but ngahlala because I knew ukuthi ngifunani and I knew ukuthi ngibuyaphi, I knew ukuthi ngifuna ukuyaphi endleleni. So ngasala ngiwani bahamba bonke kwaze kwangena abanye ngihleli khona la. Ukuzila into mele ngabe siyayijwayela. Angeke uthi uzolapha umuntu but ubuya uyolalana. So mele umzilele lo muntu ukuze into zakhe zihambe bese zizokhanya.
Sinibingelele sinamukela ohlelweni lethu Echo Point TV esilibiza ngokuthi i-The Call. Lo bingelelayo ke uxolani Mfambatha ke ushanta udaba ezithu Sontshikazi Umthiya ushota uMatinda esiqhamso Didla Madlabana kwaJozi Igcolo umthetho yadakho dakhe lochacho. Mbukelo Echo Point TV ungakhohlwa ke lapha ukucindezela usubscribe nokulike nokucomment. Uyazi ukuthi kusibeke emathubeni ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi episode yethu ihambe isifike kuwonke amagumbamane omhlaba. Angihambi ngedwa ke namhlanje ngisaphethe umkhulu ufela etsheni. Kodwa ke mina nginamaningi ngumfana Sontshikazi ngizothatha intambo ngisiphiwe kuye ukuthi umkhulu akwazi ukuthi asichazele asibingelele asitshele ukuthi yini le akasiphathele yona namhlanje. Umkhulu sikubingelele sikamukele ehlelweni lethu le Echo Point TV namba ababukeli bethu bafisa ukwazi ukuthi namhlanje ubani lo esihleli naye.
Thokozani mkhulu ohleli naye namhlanje igama lokuzalwa uLerato wakaMadlabane and then igama ledlozi Mafiletsheni, but abantu abaningi bangibiza ngoMadlabantu which is igama ledlozi elinye futhi. Thokozani mkhulu.
Wayishaya Sikhonkosini gogo siyabonga kakhulu angazi noma ngirong mangibuye ngithi gogo noma angibhedanga
akunankinga mkhulu
whatever
noma yini
siyabonga mkhulu mina ke angithanda ukubambezela kakhulu ngoba ngiyabazi ukuthi abantu bethu balambile bafuna isinkwa sendlebe ngizocela nje ukuthi vele sihlalo dabeni sibe support samaseko
Thokozani
umkhulu ufeletsheni
kambe
mhlambe nje masingahlehlisa nje mhlambe umqondo nokuthi sikwazi kangcono ukudlula lokho osusitshele khona mhlambe masingabuyele emuva ukuthi usichazele ukuthi kahle kahle ubani ukuze sazi ukuthi la sikhuluma nobani.
So mina I was bengihlupha kakhulu ne lento iqale 2022 I was in grade 6 bengiwumuntu esikoleni bengihlupha kakhulu principal had to bengixoshwe esikoleni kakhulukazi because bekunokumemeza nje nami ngingazi ukuthi ngimemezelani and I would get sick inyawo bezinokubambeka sometimes benginokulahlekela abantu engibathandayo kakhulu so impilo bengekho mnandi until ngizothatha ubizo lwami which was 2023 while I was doing grade 7 and yeah
Ekuhlupheni kwakho ubuhlupha bani esikoleni abazali babe kuphi ngesikhathi wena uhlupha?
So what happened was I had ngihlala nomamam ne my family side yakhabo mama so they were very supportive ngiyababonga nalabahlezi khona namanje because even nama struggles wabo bakhonile ukungikhipha la ngikhona ngiyilento engiyo namhlanje ngenxa yabo right. Then my family side ekhabo baba kakhulukazi ledlozi liphuma khona and angeke ngithi beba present because ubaba mi is umZCC and akahambiselana lento engiyo namhlanje so yena kakhulukazi bekangekho and we tried contacting them ukuthi babe khona but abakhonanga but nakhona it's not like ngibabambela amagcubu abakhonanga so bengihlupha kakhulu because nasemalini ekhaya bebanganawo amandla because I'm the first one khabo mama othathe lento and it has been hard because nababas understand lezinto at all bekuqala bazi ukuthi masekenzakala so bayenze njani bakhanyise ini bayenzeni so bekuyinkinga kakhulu nasesikolweni sometimes ngihlula i-crowd kakhulu so esikolweni abantwana everything was just making me ngathi ngabaleka ngiyephi and I had this tendency of sometimes mangihleli ekhaya kube nento ethi sukuma uhambe and I would just run out of nowhere ngizithole nami ngisenyangeni ethizeni so it was really hard. Yes ngumtholile umuntu khona la ngihlala khona umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi angisize before ngine ephehlweni ngizothwasa ngimtholile kepha kwafika isikhathi sokuthi sengiphupha umuntu ovele kumele angisize, and then angazi kwaqala lapho wangitshela ukuthi you don't come here anymore because khona ugobela mile uhambe kuyo. And then ugobela wami ngamthola easy kakhulu because beku thisha wami sesikoleni wathi primary school. She was there as mangiphupha something, and then ngomchazela ngithi cha baba gogo ngiphupha into so, and then she was there. And then ngaqala ukumphupha naye, she didn't say yeah Iza uzothwasa kimi. No, she waited for yena confirmation emadlozini wakhe ukuthi yes umntana angeza azothwasa kithi. Plus nami I've been dreaming a lot, ngiphupha ngikuye nje sisendumbeni, ngiphupha sometimes siseklasini eli1 aba uthisha and all of that. So it was really easy ukuthola ugobela kwami, even though bekunzima because bengiya kwabanye inyanga and all of that. Thokozani mkhulu.
Kuyazwakala mkhulu ukuthi uhambeni lakho kwaba nengqinamba kwaba futhi nobuhle phakathi mangithi ngiyabheka kakhulukazi isupport ngoba uthi wayithola kubazali bakho. So kuwe it was easy ukuthi mhlawumbe usithathe lesinqumo noma mhlawumbe kwakunzima noma wangabaza noma kwavele kwazenzakalela nje.
Kuvele kwazenzakalela kahle kahle mkhulu because angicabanganga kakhulu. I just wanted to heal because I didn't feel myself anymore. Ngivele ngalahlekelwa umqondo. I didn't know what was happening. So I was like yonke into eyenzakala izoyenzakala sizobona phambili ukuthi impilo ibanjani.
Isikole wagcina usiqedile.
Yeah, hopefully la ngithwasa khona empandeni kaMajoy eWhiteville kumkhulu ithathe livelile. They allowed me ukuthi ngibuyele esikolweni. So ngiqale okay ngithwase sengangena ephehlweni September 2023 doing grade 7 bengithe vele. So ngaqhubeka ngesikolo. Today ngiyenza grade 10 ngiphume last year ephehlweni.
Oh, indlela yesikolo sayiqhubeka.
Ngisayiqhubeka nje sihambe ngayo ngisesephehlweni kunjalo ngihlupha ngenjalo ngingena isikolo.
Awukaphuma ephehlweni sesephehlweni namanje?
Cha, ngipho sengiphumile.
Awusuphumile. Useyalapha gogo mkhulu?
Sengiyalapha mkhulu.
Ubudlelwane bakho mhlawumbe masingabuza nje ukuthi bukanjani nogobela wakho, buse right noma mhlawumbe sekuneyinkinga yana?
Yo mkhulu yazi manje ukuthi angazi kare I can tear up because ngiyambonga kakhulu umuntu sifazana. Kakhulukazi ungenzelile iqiniso. She was there for me through my struggles and everything. She was a school teacher. Among struggles esikoleni she was there. Ephehlweni mangistruggleisha she was there. Ayikho into athe ungishodisa ngayo ezugobela, and ayikho futhi angiboni ukuthi khona sesazihlukanisa because I take her as a mother. Ungivumelile ngahlala ekhayeni lakhe nabantwana bakhe ngihlupha ngenjalo, wangisiza ngilaphekile njengamanje ngenxa yakhe. Thokozani because I'm very grateful kugobela wami.
Siyabonga kakhulu sengathi bonke ogobela bengafana nogobela lo wakho omkhulu ngoba abanye ogobela ngathi babuye bebe nenkinga uma ukuthi usuphumele ephehlweni.
Kakhulukazi.
So manje igama leli lithi uMafeletsheni walithola kuphi ephehlweni noma igama uhamba nalo wafika nalo?
So khona i-ritual esiyenzayo mafika ephehlweni biza ngokugatsheka, right? Sisuke siphakamisa ledlozi silibuze ukuthi lize ngani, ungubani, like you introducing yourself, right? So ngafika ephehlweni first day ngafika kwakhuphuka idlozi. Elami idlozi belikhuphuka ke belizikhulumela. So kwakhuphuka idlozi kwaphuma umadla abantu, right? Bawabuza umadla abantu ukuthi uyini, umnikazi esikhwama noma umhlahlandlela? Bathi cha ngumhlahlandlela. So ngagatsheka mangigatsheka kwaphuma yena umnikazi wesikhwama which is uMafeletsheni.
Oleli gama ulithola ngalezo zathu khona lapha ngaphakathi?
Yebo, kuya ngokuthi nakhona idlozi lakho lisebenza ngendlela enjani. Elami lisuke laphapha ke laziveza kokuqala but abanye bayagatshekwa. Nakhona ukugatsheka ungagatsheka kokuqala but lingaphumi igama lakho because abanye amadlozi awafana ngisho. Abanye ungangena ephehlweni imanti yonke lingakaphumi igama uzoze liphuma mawusingela ngalintwaso. So asifani singabantu.
Manje kuyenzekana ukuthi lapha namanihlangene nizinkulungwane lapha nanithwasa ephehleni kube khona abagcina bengasiqedanga ngesigwebo sabo bevele bebaleke?
So ngicela ukuxoxa istori sami ke ukuthi kayenzakalani.
Koza naso gogo.
So ngene 2023, right? I was 13 years of age. Mangene ephehlweni mina. So mina ngulomuntu ongathathilana ekhanda nje anginandaba. Into uma uyenza uyayenza angendawo lapho. So obviously ephehlweni singabantu esingafani. Right, asifani ndaweni eyi1. uthola ukuthi umunye umuntu akanandaba noma angabona into phansi avela indlula inyathele or yenzeni mina ngikhule ukuthi into noma uyibona ukuthi ayihlala ngendleleni eright uyayithatha uyidobhe uyibeke la kumele ifanele khona so asifane singabantu khona ukuhishayishana kuyenzakalayo lapha la sihlala khona khona kungazwani okukhona but mina bengithanda ukuthi ngizidistance lapho so khona istage esibizwa ngenkani angeke ngithi it's a final step but so fika nasekugcini ekugcineni kwentwaso yakho so bekhona abantu bengithwasa nabo ne bahamba bathatha ikhwama zabo badala ngakimi bathatha ikhwama zabo bahamba I was the only one osele enkanini inkani it's very hard akusipapa nebisi inkani it's very hard istage lesi esihlungu kunazo zonke but ngahlala because I knew ukuthi ngifunani and I knew ukuthi ngibuyaphi I knew ukuthi ngifuna ukuyaphi endleleni so ngasala ngiwani bahamba bonke kwaze kwangena abanye ngihleli khona lapho so yes abantu khona bahambayo khona basalayo
wena kuzange kukufikela ukuthi ugcina ubaleka nawe
cha mkhulu yazi uma uzazi ukuthi ubuyaphi mawazi ukuthi lento kuze ube la yini kilethe la uzohlala yebo mkhulu
manje akwenzekeni kube khona abantu abangamamenemene mhlawumbe abathutha indaba bezisegobela beqhathe nogobela bencenge nje kuba ingcelebane kaGobela noma nje uGobela nakahle kunamuntu
ikhona bona but mina angikaze ngafika kuleso since ngingene ngibe sephensheni for 2 years but angazi bangihlalisa phansi but uyenze so because I like to distance myself from izinto ezinakanje grouping and all of that ukuthi uzohlala phansi ukhulume ngegama labani bengizidistance kakhulu
lapha kahle ephehlweni kufana nani kufana nasesikoleni nje wenza into oyithandayo kahle
mele ukahle uGobela umkhulitsatsi I think uyamazi bekathanda ukuthi la uzizele wena awuzanga nomngani right so wena mawuzobona ukuthi ubani uyenza so bese nawe ufuna ukuyenza so awuzosala ufane naye oyena ahamba uzosala wena idlozi lakho lelo lizele awuzanga namuntu
so after usuphumile ke noma mhlawumbe kuyiprocess ukuphuma bakwenzela yonke imicimbi leyo kufanele ukuthi bekwenzele yona ngithi waphuma uhambo lakho laba njani usuphumile kwaba nomehluko mhlawumbe ukhona umehluko phakathi wakho obonayo ukuthi inkathi before ungene ephehlweni awuso kodwa masuphumule futhi kwaba so ukhona umehluko mhlawumbe ubonayo wena
ukhona umehluko omkhulu because before ngene ephehlweni I was something else yazi ubone ungazazi ngamanye amalanga you feel like you just kumele uzidistance ebantwini even your family members now awusazazi ukuthi ubani esikolweni akusahambi kahle so ngiyayibona i-difference kakhulu because after ngiphumile ephehlweni I felt me again ngizizwe ngathi khona into ekhishiwe ebhlungu enhlizweni yami I healed kahle ngingayigegelezi I healed kakhulukazi ephehlweni and ngafunda ngikhulile futhi ngikhulele khona ephehlweni so ngifunda into eziningi so I can say ukuthi there's a difference
okay so manje emva ukuthi ube right uhile ubone ukuthi okay sengiright ke manje sharp so usonikiwe iziqo zokuthi wena ungalapha abantu
ngiyabalapha abantu mkhulu
iziqo ayithatha kuyo uGobela
yebo mkhulu
uyayazi umkhulu uyayazi imithi yonke khona imithi oyaziyo nje
well ikhona imithi engiyaziyo but iphondo lobunyanga ligqwali basifundisa so likhona la ngingazi khona but ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngihlalisane nabanye or ngibona abanye and then bayangifundisa ke
okay so ugogo senawo bathi yini indumba
nindumba mkhulu
ikuphi
ikhona khona la ekhaya ngihlala khona
ilocation uthi ikuphi konje
eseNigeria
so amathwasa unawo
cha angabi nawo amathwasa
kwathwasisa
yebo
kodwa uyafisa mhlambe in future ukuthi ugcine usonabo abantu bathwasisayo
khona angifisi kuba uGobela because ngathi kunzima ukudila nabantu abaningi so angifisi but mabakhona it's like ngizobajikisa obviously ngizobaletha ngibathwasise but into engayifisi kakhulukazi
kodwa mawubheka ungakhona kodwa ukumelana nalezo simo
angikhona.
Gogo kanti into ifuna uma vele ekugcineni uthasela
Angikhoni.
ukuthi ulaphe uphinde futhi ube nabantu bakho abaphuma ngaphansi kwesandla sakho. Ngoba isandla sakho sesiyathinta siyabusisa. Kufanele kube nawe nama training, utrain abantu.
Mabakhona phela ngizozama but njengamanje yawo kuseyamawo mangigcolele. Eish.
Mhlawumbe gogo uma ungathiwa uyasibalela njengathi singababukeli mhlambe esingakwazi thina esifuna ukwazi kodwa ukuqonda indlela olapha ngayo ake ngiqale nje la before ngiyela indlela olapha ngayo mhlambe iziphi mhlambe ulapha ngamanzi ulapha ngomuthi ulapha ngewasho ikuphi la othi wena cha la mawuthinta la kuyenzeka
Mina mkhulu ngisenzile isithunya which means ngiyakwazi ukulapha ngamanzi ngiyalapha futhi ngemithi plus iwasho.
okay
Sikukonke nje combined.
awushaya ngapha nangapha ngayo yonke indlela
Yebo mkhulu.
ukuhlola uyakwazi umkhulu
Akakhulu futhi.
mawuthinta la kwezomoya uthinta ngane ngamathambo abelozi yini
Well thina ephehlweni nesafundiswa ukuthi awuphonsa amathamba ngisho sesihlanganisile lezi zinto lezi so as soon as uphonsa amathambo you don't only awuhloli only ngamathambo obviously uzosebenzisa nalesithunya esifuna ukuphakama kuwe that's why sometimes masesihlola sivala amehlo umuntu azibuza ukuthi hayibo uphonsile amathambo but wavalelana amehlo usuke ucommunicate nalento ebiza ngesithunywa ephakama kuwe yebo mkhulu.
okay so nami nje usungangihlola nje or usuqedile ngami
Awu.
eziyakhala la ekhaya
Awu.
gogo efonini uyakhona nokuhlola ngoba kunomuntu mhlawumbe oseThekwini eCape Town ozothi mina ngizofika kanjani gogo kodwa ngicela ukuthi angihlole efonini uyakhona ukwashaya
Yes mkhulu sawayenza ama-online consultation using i-video call ya ku-WhatsApp.
umtshela umuntu indaba zakhe
Kakhulu futhi.
manje kwi-video call ucelane ucela igama noma uvela umhlabe i-voice
Cha ngicela igama plus nesibongo plus ngifuna ukubona yena ngisho ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuconnecta nalento okuye futhi. Plus futhi ngizamcela nomuntu engisonga ngomhlola ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi angiphathele ikhandlela plus amanzi ukuthi ingilosi zethu zizokwazi ukuxhumana kahle.
okay so gogo ngoba phela mina angaze ngiye emanzini amanzi ngicela mangigeza mangiphuza mangipheka akaze ngiye nje kuthiwa ngiyofaka emanzini so ngiyawasaba manje ngingenza kanjani ukuthi ungihambe ngilapha khona kodwa ngiyawasaba amanzi
Uzongena ke kamnandi.
kanjani gogo ngiyawasaba amanzi
Kahle uzongena ke.
ngekani
I'm very gentle ne. Ngiyazi I can be rough sometimes but if it's your first time if you understand ukuthi ayigogo now it's my first time ngicela ungincenekela obviously ngizosho ukuthi okay asingene kancane ngizokuncenekela mara uzogcina ungenile
manje gogo ngeke nokungcono ke uthi uthathe u20 liters ungithele ngawo ngaphandle
angisebenzi kanjalo ke ngifuna singene khona lapho phakathi uzizwe nawe amahlumbeni ukuthi ayikhona into esukile kimi
manje ngicwelisa how many minutes nje makuthiwa uyangicwelisa phansi ngoba
kuya ngomoya wami ukuthi uthini ngawo into engisuke ngiboniswa ngaleso sikhathi leso
manje ngoba gogo lapha kunabanomzane lapha emanzini nifike nenze njani ngoba nabo phela bafuni ngendlu yabo lapha
so into esiyenzayo ezinyanga mina into engikhule ngiyenza nasephehlweni is that before ungene emanzini uba necoin yokukhanyisa manje sekuyibhadi ngoba ukuthi uyaphonsa kufika umfananyana azodobha thathe ahambe but into esiyenzayo uyaphonsa icoin lapho i1 rand noma i2 rand ikhanyayo and then mawuceda uyaphahla uyacela indlela ukuthi sivule singene into masifuna ukushiya lapho sishiya lapho ubumnyama and everything ukuthi basivikele nabogogo nabomkhulu nje basilapho phakathi
khona futhi omunye gogo engaye ngamuzwa eqhuqhumeza noma encourage ukuthi kakhulukazi lendlela le eyemanzini ufuna ngathi ungelala nomuntu mawuzo emanzini okwesibili ngathi ungazila nje uyihlonipha ube nediscipline ukuze phambili ungeze ukufika ube nenkinga bese iphutha libuya lizokho umuntu uzokhomba ugogo kuthiwe uwenzela lona
so siyizangoma ukuzila into mele ngabe siyayijwayela angeke uthi uzolapha umuntu but ubuya uyolalana so kumele umzilele lo muntu ukuze izinto zakhe zihambe bese zizokhanya mkhulu
ayacaca gogo nakho ke la sengikhona ngiyawuthanda lo mbuzo ngisazobuye ngiqhubeke ngapha eceleni kodwa ngiyawuthanda lo mbuzo angize ngawushiya futhi mangishiye lo mbuzo kuzobe i-interview yami iphelile ayikho into engiyenzile gogo Mhlambe ngokwakho mongaqinisekisa ukuthi mina ngumkhulu umafeletsheni ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi noma ngicacisele noma ngiqonda ukuthi imiphi noma iziphi izifo okwazi wena ukuyilapha ngo-100% not even 99% kodwa ngo-100% uthi uyabona isifo esithile nesithile cha ngiyakwazi ukushaya mhlambe gogo mongangichazela lezo zifo lezo ngiyazi ukuthi mhlambe ziningi izifo zazo kodwa kube nokuthi nje uthi nje mina la ngiyagaranta ukuthi umuntu ngisho ngenza manje ngizomenzela.
Makhosi mkhulu. So mina izifo engizilaphayo isifo senhliziyo, ngiyakwazi ukulapha isifulane,